Welcome to Learn PowerPoint with Hector. Today, we'll talk about how to use templates in PowerPoint. Many people, when they need to create a presentation, first search for templates online. But I'm going to show you how to find free and beautiful templates directly within PowerPoint. The quickest way is to click on File, then New. You'll see a search bar below. In the search bar, type in the kind of template you're looking for. Microsoft provides a lot of templates for various purposes. For example, let's try searching for education templates. I'll click on Education, and now we can see some templates related to teaching and learning. I'll scroll down and pick one I like. This one looks good, so I'll click Create. Now I have a complete slide deck. I can easily customize it by changing the text or replacing images. To edit text, just select it and start typing. To replace an image, right-click on it, choose Change Picture, and upload your own image. But sometimes, you'll find certain elements that you can't select or edit. For example, if there's a shape or object you want to delete, but it seems locked, here's what you do. Go to View and click Slide Master. In the Slide Master view, you can select these locked elements. Let's say I want to delete this shape. I'll select it, and I can either change its color or remove it entirely. Now, I'll replace it with a PowerPoint logo.
Click Insert, select Picture, choose an image, click Insert, and you're done.
Once I'm done, I'll close the Slide Master view, and now you can see the changes reflected across all the slides. While we're in the Slide Master, let me show you how to add a logo to all slides at once. Go back to the first slide in the Slide Master. Click Insert and then Add an image. I'll use a Microsoft logo for this example. Resize the logo, position it where you want, and close the Slide Master view. Now, the logo appears on every slide in the presentation. And that's it. You've now learned how to use templates, customize them, and apply a logo to all slides. See you in the next class.